In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, whether you need a break from social media or perhaps you're facing privacy concerns. It's straightforward to take a step back from your Instagram feed. This step-by-step guide will help you through the process, ensuring it's done effortlessly, even if you've never done it before. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Instagram account through a web browser, so go ahead and open up your browser of choice, whether it's Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Type in Instagram.com to pull up the Instagram homepage. Once you're there, sign in using your username and password. If you've forgotten your login details, you'll need to reset them to proceed. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your Instagram profile. Look towards the bottom right corner of your screen for your profile icon, which represents your Instagram account. Click on this icon to head over to your profile page. Next, you will see an Edit Profile button. Give it a tap or click to access your account settings, where you'll find the option to deactivate your account. As you are now on your Edit Profile page, it's time to move towards temporarily deactivating your account. Scroll all the way down this page. You will see the option labeled Temporarily Deactivate My Account. Depending on your device, this may appear under your bio section if you're using a mobile, or towards the bottom right if you're on a desktop. Click or tap on this option to proceed further. At this point, Instagram will prompt you with a question: why are you deactivating your account? You'll be presented with a drop-down list where you can select a reason that best describes your need, for instance, need a break or privacy concerns. This step is important because it helps Instagram understand user needs. Once you've picked a reason, you'll need to re-enter your password to move forward. The final step involves actually deactivating your account. Tap or click on the button that says Temporarily Deactivate Account. After you hit that button, you'll receive a prompt to confirm this action. Make sure to confirm when prompted. And there you have it. Your account is now hidden from everyone else. This means that your profile, photos, and any activity will be invisible to others until you decide to log back in. When you're ready to return, logging back in will reactivate your account with all your information intact. Thanks for watching, and remember, taking a break from social media can be a healthy choice.